Hey guys, welcome to Cast and the Can Do Creators, a channel dedicated to using the can do mentality and attitude to get ahead. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the tribe. Okay, so today I want to tell you guys what this channel is all about. What are we doing? What is this zero to monetization? And what does it mean to be a can do creator? So the can do creator and the zero to monetization stems from the YouTube challenge that I am doing currently right now live on the Convoz app. The way this challenge works is super duper simple and super duper fun. We're going to start a new YouTube channel, and we started this channel a week ago live on Convoz. We're going to take the channel from zero to monetization in 12 months or less. Okay, so far we have one video up on the YouTube channel. Third, we are going to document the journey on YouTube, which is what we are doing with this video and every other video following moving forward. Number 4, we are going to be honest about the good and the bad. Look, starting a YouTube channel and taking it from zero to monetization in 12 months isn't going to be a glamorous process. It is going to have this up and it's down. And so with knowing all of that, we had to be honest. What worked? What didn't work? Did batch recording work? Do tags work? Do thumbnails make a difference? Keep it 100 if you are participating in this challenge with me. Number 5, have fun and try new things. Okay, just try different things. Just go for it. Create a channel. Talk about anything that you may have thought of, didn't know, wasn't too sure about. You never know what may work. Okay, so like I said, I'm starting this channel fresh from the ground zero, and then we are going up. Started from the bottom, now we're here, in the words of Drake. And this started about a week ago on the Convoz app. So if you guys want to, you can follow me on Convoz. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description box, and I highly recommend you check me out on the app at Incredible Cast if you want to continue to follow the weekly live journey as I go through and I show everybody live exactly what is going on. And then I come back and I take that information and I put it in a YouTube video. Okay, so with that being said, now that you guys know what the YouTube challenge is, the next question is, why are you doing this YouTube challenge, Cast? What do you get out of it? Well, this YouTube challenge came originally because in the past 18 months, I managed to take 3 YouTube channels from zero to monetization. Those are my own personal niche-based channels. And with the success of those channels, I was posting tidbits about it on my Instagram and on Convoz. And of course, people were inquiring. They wanted to know, how did I do it? Originally, I thought it might have just been luck. Lady Luck was on my side, and that is the reason why I was able to see success. But after a while, I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and put this to the test. Let's see what methods, what did I use to grow those channels, and if I can take those same skill sets, those same tools, those same resources, and apply it on a completely different channel, and if that channel will grow the same way. So with the encouragement of Kels and other wonderful people on the Convoz app, I decided to go ahead and to take on this challenge. And that is how I came about creating the YouTube challenge, the zero to monetization in 12 months or less challenge. And anybody can participate in this challenge. The YouTube challenge is for any and everybody. Regular mom, pop, dad, grandma, grandpa, your first time on YouTube, you a seasoned YouTuber. It doesn't matter what level. Maybe you are still in school, college, high school, you name it. You can tap into it and you can start this challenge. Okay, start it with me today. All right, then make the pledge. Join the Can Do Creators. All you need in order for you to qualify, for you to be a part of the Can Do mentality, the Can Do tribe, is for you to have a can do attitude, which is so simple. The can-do attitude is just somebody who is able to say, I can do it. Can you do it? Can you? Can you? Yes, you can. Okay? Because I did it. I didn't think I can do it. And look, I did it. I took 3 YouTube channels from zero to monetization as a regular everyday person. Not thinking that I had much skills, I was able to apply what I did know, what I had learned from other YouTubers, and combine it to make a real awesome platform for my audience. And I'm bringing all those skill sets over here along with what I've learned from other YouTubers to create something amazing. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the channel that I created, because the channel is already up. Like I said, I created it live on the Convoz app. So let's check it out. So so here we go. This is the back office, the channel analytic for cast and the can-do creators. But let's go ahead and take it all the way to the beginning. All right. So let's take it to customization. And how we created this channel was super duper easy. First, you had to go ahead and to create a Google account if you don't already have Google. Once you've done that, you're going to be given an option right above here to create a channel. You're going to go onto youtube.com and then you'll have ability to create a channel using the Google account. Once you created your channel, you'll have access to this back situation. Okay. With that, the very first thing you're going to do is go into, what is it? Basic info branding. After you create a name for your channel, the branding, I did cast in the can-do creators. That was the name. I created a banner image using Canva. Okay. I used Canva to create my banner. And I used the free version of Canva. So you don't have to upgrade and pay Canva. If you are able to, I highly recommend it. It is absolutely wonderful. But I stuck with the free templates and just created a basic banner. Okay, that was it. After that, I went into the basic info and I filled out this information right here. It's a description about my channel. It's just cast in the can-do creators. I'm going to maybe put a little bit of space to make it easier. It's a channel inspired by the can-do attitude, created for the live YouTube challenge on Convoz app, where every week Castro Cast Demosthenes joins a panel of 1 to 3 others in building a YouTube channel from zero to monetization. This is supposed to say 12 months or less. Whoa. Subscribe to be a part of the journey and share this channel with others so together we can grow the can-do community. I used a couple of hashtags. Okay. Channel URL is what it is right now. Press publish. Next, we have the layout. I didn't really do much here. This is just my first upload. And then we're going to go into content. Content is my very first video that I dropped on July 1st. So it was recent. Literally, you guys, like I said, today is the 6th. I dropped this video July 1st. Okay. So we have 19 views and 4 comments. And we can go ahead and take a quick look at it. Let's check it out. Okay. The description that I created, you guys can always go in here, copy and paste, use it. You know, just a similar format to this. The thumbnails, I did not create a custom thumbnail. Actually, for this particular video, I decided to use the thumbnails that YouTube generated. Okay. And then I click no, it is not made for kids. Okay. Over here, we have the tags that I've used, you know, keeping it honest, keeping it 100 with you guys. So these are the tags that I am trying out to see how well they will convert. And that is all. Standard licensing. I kept the category to people in blogs. I'm thinking about changing it to something else, but I'm not too sure just yet. Maybe how to. Yeah, maybe how to. But how to and style, it doesn't really fit. I'm going to keep it on people and blogs. No, I'm going to try how to, because this is a how to build your YouTube channel. So, and right over here, I mentioned this on the Convoz live, but I made my very first mistake already. The mistake was right over here. As you guys can see, the file name. When I saved this video onto my computer, I chose a random name, and that name isn't the very same thing that's the title. So you want to try to make your file name similar or close to the title of your YouTube channel. So honestly, I should have titled this file Zero to Monetization, but it was the very first video. It is a learning process. We will get it the next time. So our very first video, you guys, I made it using Canva. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and how easy it was to make. Super easy, by the way. Okay. Here we go. Hi, welcome to Cass and the Can Do Creators. My name is Cass. Welcome to my channel, a channel dedicated to growing and building a YouTube channel. We're starting by taking a YouTube channel from zero to monetization using different methods we've all seen on YouTube and read on blogs. These methods and tips are usually shared. Okay, you can always go to the channel and finish watching that particular video. It is only 1 minute and 59 seconds. Okay, we also created our very first playlist, which is the Welcome to the Channel playlist. All right. Our analytics, like I said, we've only gotten 16 views thus far. As of right now, only 3 people are currently watching the videos on this channel. We have reached 44 our impressions, 44 for a brand new channel. It has a 15.9% impression click-through rate, 16 views, 9 of them were unique. Our traffic sources, where is our traffic coming from? In a later video, we will go in depth and break down the analytics of our YouTube channel, but right now, just an overview. YouTube channel, YouTube search. 75% of the people who are seeing my video currently is coming from typing in something, some type of keyword that is triggering them and bringing them to my particular channel. Whether it is monetization, the name of the channel, or one of my tags, but something that they are searching for on YouTube is bringing them to this particular channel. Next is channel page, browser feature, direct or unknown. We don't have enough information for traffic source, not enough information about the playlist, not enough information about YouTube search, not enough information about the suggested videos. We have the comment section. Okay. Hey, we do have some comments. That is really awesome. So I like to reply as soon as I get a chance to the comments, because it's really fun, especially when you have a new channel, to engage with people who are leaving comments. It is really awesome. Subtitles, copyright. Be sure to pay attention to this section. If you do have any copyright, be mindful of them. Copyright versus copyright claims versus copyright strikes. Those are 2 different things that later on in a channel that we will discuss, in which I will let you know how on a previous channel of mine, I had 5 YouTube strikes and how I managed to win all 5 YouTube strikes and got that account back. As you guys know, YouTube strikes are basically a stamp of death. Like I said, later on, I would discuss that more. But if you do have more than 3 YouTube strikes on your channel is basically scheduled to be terminated unless you can win a counter notification, which is a legal process. And I'm going to tell you guys later on how I did it, and I won 5 of them. It was insane. It's going to show you the proper way I use fair use. Okay, so over here for monetization, we can see where we're at. We're not quite there yet. There was this little option for you to check if you want to be emailed when you are eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which is the monetization feature. I checked that off. I highly recommend you check it off. But right now we have 6 out of the 1,000 subscribers required, and we have 0 public watch hours out of the 4,000 needed. So we have some work to do. All right. So that's the music. We'll get into the music later on. Okay, guys. Well, that is going to be it for today's video. All right, then thank you so much for checking out Cast and the Can Do Creators. Like I said, it is not too late if you want to start this journey. It doesn't matter when you are seeing this video. If you are looking for a sign to jump on YouTube, if you've been thinking about it, if you had a channel that's maybe struggling, this is that sign. This video right here is the sign for you to get on it and for us to make it happen. Together we can do it. All right then. So if you haven't already, but you made it this far, and I appreciate you making it this far because you are absolutely awesome for doing so, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know any tips, any resources. If you've already built a YouTube channel, anybody who you're watching, any big YouTubers, drop their names. Okay, I know Aaron on Demand, Roberta Blake. Drop some of those names so I can check them out and I can see what they are saying. Okay, like the video if you like what I said. Okay, share the video if you know anybody who's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, who's been trying to get their channel monetized. Share this video with them. All right then. So with that being said, until next time, peace.